Hi, this is Tawny with the Kinsman Free Public Library, and today I thought I would start showing you how to explore and use the Google Suite programs, which would be Gmail, Documents, Sheets, Sites, and the Drive, and so many other possible options. Today, though, we're going to start with the very basics and explore how to actually set up your Gmail or Google account if you don't already have one. So you don't need a Google Chrome browser to do this. You can do this on other browsers just by going to google.com and hitting either Gmail or just the sign in through Google. But if you do have the Google browser, you can just open it up, and right here you'll see Gmail and this little box of boxes which will have your account, and it'll have a little option up here to sign in as well. You can see that we are currently paused so that I can run this little quick tutorial. So we're just going to click right on this Gmail icon, empty this one out, and we're going to just create a junk email for these couple of classes or videos. So don't try to email this, you won't get anyone. It'll be deleted in like a week or two anyway. Okay, so we're going to start with our email. So this can be whatever you want. It can be your name, it can be a fun phrase you like, whatever you want. Oh, and as you can see, I'm trying to sign in, but we can't sign in yet. We actually have to click Create Account for myself. And then this is where you will do the startup. So you need to put in your name and then your email. So we're going to do So this is going to be my email if nobody else is using it. But apparently somebody else already has this. So we're going to do this. And that might happen from time to time. You might see that you have to add some extra numbers or maybe a couple random letters to make your email work. No big deal. They'll also give you some suggestions that will help you make that process a little bit easier. Your password needs to be 8 characters or more with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. This is to kind of keep it from being easy to guess. So you don't want to use birthdays, pet names, schools you went to, family members' birthdays and names, old streets you lived on, anything like that. And you kind of want them to be on the longer side because that makes it a little bit harder to guess. So use a phrase. If you could use like a whole actual sentence if you want and randomly capitalize and change letters for numbers and that kind of thing. Give me a second. It's going to take me a minute to work mine out. And hopefully I remembered that correctly. Oh, I didn't. This might take you a couple tries to get it right, so don't worry. Take your time and make sure you spell it the exact same way with the exact same combinations. I'm still not getting it. What am I missing? There we go. Now it's going to ask you for a phone number. You do not need to include a phone number if you do not want. You can, or an extra email. This is, though, probably a good idea because if you forget your password, it'll send you a code or a verification to a backup phone number or an email so that you can reset it. Usually your phone number should probably be the cell phone, though, that you're using. So you kind of want to make sure periodically if you change your number that you go ahead and update that. I'm not going to add any. Like I said, this is going to be just the junk thing I'm going to get rid of. And then you need to put in your birthday. Once again, I'm just going to make up a birthday because it's a junk email. But please use your real birthday. And then you can put your gender in if you want. You really don't have to. And you just hit the next. Make sure you kind of read through this a little bit, but you don't have to read the whole thing. It's a lot of complicated gobbledygook. You'll just hit the I agree though. And it'll load, and you should have your Gmail account. It's going to take mine a minute. I am currently in the basement. There we go. And here's my email. You'll see a few things, so we won't go into anything too crazy today. We'll just do that quick thing, and then tomorrow we will explore what's actually in the email, how to send one, how to add attachments, and all that fun stuff. If you have any questions about what we have done so far, go ahead and give us a call at the library's phone number, and then you can also use our chat feature, or just go ahead and drop in. We will be around to help as well. All right, thanks for watching.